Alright, next award is for the Best Supporting Actor Web Original Film, Male, Hindi. And the winner is...
Oh, I can't believe this. Gaurav Pandey, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
It properly. Thank you Nexa Streaming Academy Awards for conferring me with this award. और इससे अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं हो सकती थी क्योंकि मुझे अवार्ड जिस फिल्म के लिए मिला है उस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर ने दिया है. So thank you so much. I'd like to say thanks to the team, RSVP, Roy Kapoor Films, Out Sky Pictures, the writers of the film. The film is based on a book. It's written by Varun Agarwal, turned into a film by Nikhil and Nitesh sir, and directed by Abhishek sir. And thank you so much. It's a big one. And मुझे Nexa Streaming Academy Awards का पहला supporting actor award मुझे मिला है.
अरे क्या बात है, सुपर, अमेजिंग.
Thank you so much.
गौरव पांडे, अब तो अवार्ड्स को आन दे, तैयारी कर लो. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए होनी चाहिए यार. सुपर.
Congratulations.
Best Actor Series, Female, Popular, Regional.
And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage the lovely Brinda Prasad. The lovely Brinda, as usual.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. The Best Actor Series Female goes to Shriya Reddy for Surar.
Good evening, everybody. I would like to thank Pushkar and Gayatri, my entire cast and crew, Parthiban sir, Kadir, Aishwarya, and the rest of them who are not here. Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Now it's the time to honor the Best Series Critics Hindi, and the winner is...
Best Series Critics, Kala Pani, Hindi, Netflix.
Thank you, Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. And yeah, this is surprising. This is special. And very special because the Best Series Award, it's not recognizing any individual talent, rather the talent of the whole team that came together to make this series. So it's for everyone. Some of the crazy guys are there. But everyone who has been behind the series, Netflix, V. Pochamba Pictures, and every single person who has worked on the show. This is to all of them. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations. क्या कमाल का बनाया काला पानी.
Now it's the time to honor the Best Non-Fiction Original Series Special.
And the winner is...
To present this award, can we please have Manara Chopra and Parth Samant on stage, please?
So the winner is Unstoppable Season 2, Telugu.
ఆహా తరపున మీ అందరికీ మా నమస్కారాలు ఎల్లరికూ వణక్కం and of course special thanks to Balakrishna Garu, the host, and all the guests through the season who've really made this show come alive. So thank you very much.
Now it's time to honor the Best Supporting Actor Series Male Hindi.
Present the award. May I please welcome on stage Mr. Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan.
Award goes to Bhuvan Arora.
Thank you so very much, Nexa Streaming Academy Award. Thank you for recognizing my hard work. Big thanks to the makers of the show, Raj and DK. I'm forever indebted to them for the doors of opportunities that Fuzzy has opened up for me. And ironically, this is the first time Streaming Academy Awards has come to our city, Bollywood, and it's my first time when I'm doing a Tamil film. So I think it was pretty cosmic for me to be here. But a big thank you for, all the love and support from the entire team. Shayad Bhai, all the cast members, I couldn't have done it without them. And yeah, thank you for a lovely, lovely evening. And I also like to congratulate all the fellow nominees. I think they were all very, very fabulous, especially my favorite Gulshan Devaiya, who I'm a big admirer of. And thanks.
यार पर भुवन मुझे मानना पड़ेगा, लोग क्या अपनी एक्टिंग से डायलॉग से दिल तो जीतते हैं, तुमने वो तो किया ही,
हाँ.
लेकिन जो वो चाय की चुस्की थी ना भाई, I think that was class apart. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you,
Bhuvan,
Manish bhai.
Keep doing the great work.
मैं भी आपको बचपन से देखता आ रहा हूँ.
तुम्हारी ऐसी तैसी सबकी भागो यहाँ से.
To honor the Best Actor Series Male Critics Hindi,
Ladies
and
and
to give
gentlemen,
away this award, I would like to invite on stage
please welcome Mr. Raj Nayak.
And the Best Actor Series Male Critics goes to Jim Sarb.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, guys.
very well deserved.
Thank you to Nexa Streaming Academy Awards. I want to thank, of course, Sony Live, my producers, MA and Roy Kapoor Films. I want to thank my director, Abhay Pannu, and the entire team that worked tirelessly to make Rocket Boy Season 2 come to life. I think we made it with so much heart and hard work that we're very glad it resonated. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jim. And the next award is to honor the Best Series Regional.
Best series goes to. How do you call it? Suhal. How do you pronounce this? You have to tell me this.
ये टंग ऊपर करनी है, सर ने बताया था मुझे यहाँ पे. Suzal, the Warthogs. Swirl. Swirl. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Love you. Swirl, the Warthogs.
अब मुझे भी सिखा दें.
Swirl.
The Warthog. The Warthogs. Vortex. Congratulations, sir. You have to teach all of us this, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we hand over the award, it's time for a tongue twister. Everybody, please learn it. Sir, sorry. Please हमें फिर से सिखाएं. हम सीखना चाहते हैं. So you have to roll your tongue.
Sural.
It's Marathi ka ra na.
अरे यही तो इंडिया का मजा है. सारी भाषाएं आपस में मिलती हैं. I love it यार.
Manish, I'm sorry, but it's vortex.
मैंने तो vortex
Please,
एक सेकेंड.
y'all are pronouncing English wrong. It's shocking.
एक मिनट, आपको लगा मैंने vortex बोला है? यही लगा ना? ये मैंने जान के किया था. देख रहा था आप अटेंशन पे कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. अच्छा,
Please say.
So that's Shalini from Amazon Prime, and she has seen this project right from the first word which was written, the first draft of the script which was written, right up to the release. So a big thanks to Amazon Prime Video for standing by this project. Through COVID times, we started shoot, then COVID happened. In fact, we got first information that there was going to be lockdown from some people there. So we had to pause shoot, and then Amazon stood by us through the whole process of resuming shoot with all those. We had a lot of rules when we had to shoot again. Anyway, so through that process, Amazon made sure that the team was always pepped up, because it went on for a year and a half. And really thank you to Prime Video.
And I mean, he's talked enough about Prime Video, so our own production house, Wallwatcher Films, without, I mean, the whole team is fantastic, and I think they make everything possible. So thanks Amazon, thanks Wallwatcher Films.
Yes, Sural, the Vortex.